Today I'm unboxing a DMC Mindful Making Kit. Relax, unwind and calm your mind. The Woodland Walk Embroidery Duo Kit. So I've seen this online in shops for about £22 to £24 plus delivery. And I saw it on eBay for £11 including postage, and it's 2 DMC patterns, so you can make 2 hoops. I thought that was a really good deal. I probably should keep off the online shopping. Next year I might do one of those challenges where you don't buy anything. So what we know about DMC is they make great thread. Pretty much everyone uses DMC or talks about how good DMC are. I've had some of their patterns before because they allow you to download a lot of patterns for free and just use them as you want. I have done their patterns before. I think their guidance is good. I think their threads are good. So I'm hoping that this has been a really good deal. Let's open it up. It's very nicely boxed. You've got a couple of very nice modern designs on the front. I'm going to get 6 skeins of thread, 1 needle, 2 pieces of cloth and 1 hoop. We have a bamboo hoop which is quite cheap. That's disappointing. It's a tiny bit warped as well, eh? And look, there's no screw hole to tighten the hoop. So that is a cheap hoop, DMC. Not happy. And there's only 1. So you'd have to choose if you were gifting it or if you wanted to leave your finished product in the hoop. You'd have to choose which one you wanted to do because there's 2 projects. So that's a little bit disappointing. Got a very lightweight cotton here, which is alright. It is fine, but it is quite lightweight and quite see-through. And you will need to cut it in half because you've got your 2 projects together, but that is fine. I'm happy with the designs. I could see the designs when I bought it. They are completely different, both beginner friendly, I would say, and I think they are going to sew up really nicely. Another box. It's very well packaged, very secure. Oops, there we go. This is the little booklet you get in a few different languages. Relax, unwind and calm your mind. Discover a hobby that feeds your soul. Transport yourself to a peaceful woodland with this serene stitch duo. This mindful making kit provides you with all the tools you need to relax and unwind through mindful making. I think it probably is really aimed at beginners, just to get you interested in embroidery. So that is one of the finished patterns, and that's, you can tell straight away that's not AI generated. That really looks like someone has done the pattern. You can work out all the stitches, and the one on the front is the other pattern. You have some basic stitch suggestions and drawings to show how to do it, and you've got an outline drawing of each of the designs, and that basically the letter and the number will tell you which stitch you need to do with how many strands. Both designs use the same colours. It's quite light on instructions, but that's okay. There's a lot more information on the DMC website if you needed any additional guidance. Let's have a look at our threads. There we go. Very pretty coloured greens. And each DMC thread has a number. So if you did run out, if you made lots of mistakes, that's fine. You unpick, start again, and you can simply order the same number again, or your local supplier might have it as well. This is a lovely green. I love these sort of muted colours. So what you'd expect is some decent threads, which you do have. They've been quite clever in making each project use the same threads, so they've just had to give you enough for both the projects. But you do have a whole skein of each. That should be more than enough, which is nice because it does give you a little bit extra to use on other projects. Overall, I think this has been a great deal for £11. I think probably if you were buying a gift for someone, it would be a nice gift, a starter set. For people who are more experienced in embroidery, they're going to want to use a better hoop. They might want a heavier, nicer fabric as well. But the patterns themselves, they are great. So if you wanted, you could make your own little kit for someone. If you wanted to make a kit for an experienced embroiderer, then you could order your skeins, download the images, buy some nice fabric, buy them a hoop, and sort of put together your own kit. Overall, I was pretty pleased with this. I think I got a good deal, and I'm looking forward to doing these, working with the threads and these cute little woodland images, to do a bit of mindful making